Welcome back to Edu Skills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Our services are absolutely free. And today we are going to deal with reading part C. Question. Just listen and go through the text. Definitely that will help your listening competency as well. We are moving to the next.
Yes, Father.
Now going to a lexical question, very easy. And let's listen to. It's also a listening practice. That's why I follow this method.
Q9. What is the meaning of the spillover effect mentioned in the passage? A. The virus has spread from Chile to Argentina. B. The virus has spread from factory workers to birds. C. Turkey blood has been spilled during the production process. D. Turkeys have become infected by eating spilled contaminated pig food. Chilean authorities have established a temporary quarantine and have decided to allow the infected birds to recover rather than culling them. T is thought the incident represents a spillover from infected farm workers to turkeys. Canada, Argentina and Australia have previously reported spread of the H1N1 swine flu virus from farm workers to pigs.
Okay, now this is a lexical question, because spillover is highlighted. Normally it is highlighted in the text and the question stem. So immediately you have to go to the highlighted portion of the word. Now from there, what is given? What is given soon after the highlighted word is very, very important.
B.
As out. Okay, so what is option?
Option B.
B.
The virus has spread from factory workers to bird. From infected spillover from infected farm workers. Factory workers, synonymous is
Yes,
farm
Father, it's
workers.
B.
Yeah, farm workers, synonymous. And two birds,
Turkey.
synonymous is turkeys.
Turkey.
Yeah. Spillover. So immediately you have the answer soon after the highlighted word. That is what strategies we have learned. And you need not worry about other things when there is a lexical question. And there are so many students, as soon as they start C part, they write 4 lexical questions because it's the easiest ones. Within a couple of seconds, you can complete those 4 and get the score. Okay, hope that is clear. Okay, so what you have to do? So say strategies and tips, lexical question, word in bold and highlighted, synonymous language spread to infected, factory workers, farm workers, to birds, to turkeys. The virus has spread from the factory workers to birds. The text says a spillover from infected farm workers to turkeys. Synonymous language. Paraphrasing. Why I am showing you this you have to do when you work out in the initial stages, definitely until you reach a certain stage of competency, you have to work it this way. It's not important that you get the score or the answer, but you have to understand how you got the answer.